makes Bernie Sanders look like a super conservative. I don't think she's for the people of Arizona or Nevada. And we want to know who are their judicial nominees. Who are they? Who are you going to put on the court? You know, they want to pay the courts, right? How do you like our nominees? Right? Ban charter schools, fund extreme late-term abortion. You know, what's a fund late-term, even beyond late-term. Virginia, the child is born, and then they make a decision as to execution of the child. You saw Virginia and Biden. Biden totally supports it. And surrender your country to the violent socialists. Take a look at Philadelphia last night. Take a look. And we offered to go in. Wouldn't stop that in 2 minutes. And they said, stand back. The police want to do their job. They're good. I think they endorse me too. Everybody. That's why we're going to win a record share of Hispanic Americans, of African Americans, of Asian Americans. We're going to win a historic share. Remember last time? He will not get women, remember? He will not get women. Well, it didn't work out that way, right? At the end of the night, I don't know what happened. He got a lot of women. We did very well with women. You know why? Women are very smart. They want security. They want safety. If they're from suburbia, suburban women, they give me a hard time in suburbia.